Hello everyone, Professor Lohit here. Today we see the sixth lecture on CME. Last lecture we see the excavating and the lifting equipments. Today we see the problems on the excavating equipments. So before going to that, let us we discussed on what we discussed in the previous classes. We see the formula for those. So to find the production is nothing but that is volumes per cycle and the cycles per hour, that gives you the productions, and the cost per unit production is equipment cost per hour to the equipment production per hour. Okay, that we was seen. Okay, later a planning or product output per hour, that is given by ideal output, the correction factors, and the performance factor or efficiency. You can call any of those. So how to find this ideal output? That ideal output can be given by bucket output of per cycle into cycles per hour, or you can take the equipment performance conversion factor. You can take any of those. Either you have to multiply the cycles per hour if they given in problem, or equipment performance conversion factor. You have to know this. Clear? This cycles per hour is given by 60 minutes per cycle in time, that given in minutes. That gives whatever the unit is given in minutes. In a major of the problems, they give the performance conversion factor. Clear? Let us see the problem on this first. So here is the problem. Estimate the hourly production of bulk volume. LCM is nothing but loose cubic meter, loose soil in cubic meter, of a backhoe with a bulk capacity of, how much the capacity of that is 1.14 meter cube, employed on excavation of foundation of 3 meter depth in a hard digging soil. Okay, the excavated earth is to be loaded in a waiting dump truck placed at the swing of, if this is a swing of 75 degree. The expected performance efficiency is 81%. So what they given you for now is ideal output of soil in cubic meter, that is 180 LCM, that is loose soil in cubic meter. Then what else they given you? Equipment conversion factor operating at a optimum depth of 0.8. Then they given you the correction factors, soil factor for hard digging 0.67, load factor for loading into a vehicle they given is 0.80, and swing factor for 75 degree. So what the ultimately you have to calculate here is, that is expected outcome per hour. How much outcome you can expect from per hour, how much LCM they can excavate per hour, that is has to be calculated. For that, first you have to calculate, as you see in the formula, this is the output formula, that is ideal output into correction factor into the performance efficiency factor. First I calculate now ideal output. Ideal output is given by, they given you the, that is what, loose cubic meter 180 they given you, and you have to multiply with this to get the ideal factors, that is a bucket factor they given you na, 180 LCM. Actually for this 1.14 meter cube it is around 144 m cube, but the problem they given as a 180, we take it as 180 only. Clear? That is 180 into equipment performance conversion factor for the ideal depth, that is given from the table. That is what we seen in the last. So here it is from the table. The equipment we are using is a backhoe, and the performance compaction factor, comparison factor, they give it as a 0.8 for a backhoe. You have to remember this. So taking this, that is 180 into 0.8, that gives you 144 LCM, that is loose soil in cubic meter. Next is to find the correction factors, because here it is having the correction factors. So the correction factor is nothing but what all they given. Soil factor at hard digging they given is 0.67. Okay. Load factor for loading into the vehicles 0.8. If they not given also, you can find it on all the table that what is given in the notes or whatever the video in the last lecture. Clear? And the given the swing factor for 75 degree. For that you can see the table. This is the correction factor for hard digging, that is 0.67. You can see it here. And for swing factor 75 you have 1.05. And the load casting factor for the any of the open area or truck, they given you as side casting, means keeping aside only, or if it loading in a truck, if it is open area you can take it as 0.8, and if it is restricted area you can take it 0.6. So swing factor for 75 degree it has 1.05, and for loading in a vehicle it has a 0.8. You have to remember this. So 0.8 that, and for 75 you seen it as 1.05. So the correction becomes 0.56. So the you want performance efficiency, it's also already given in a problem, that is 0.81%, that we take it as a 0.81. Performance efficiency is equal to 0.81. Hence expected output per hour is equal to ideal output into correction factor into performance efficiency. Ideal output, how much you got? 144 into correction factor is 0.56, performance efficiency is 0.81, that gives you 64.5 LCM per hour. So this is the answer. So backhoe with having the capacity 1.14, excavating of the depth foundation depth of 3 meter and hard digging soil, it gives you output of 64.5 LCM per hour. Clear? Take down the problem. Estimate the hourly production bulk volume LCM of a backhoe with a bucket carrying capacity of 0.96 meter cube that is employed on a excavation of a foundation which is 4 meter deep in hard digging soil. The excavated earth is to be loaded in a waiting dump trucks placed at a swing angle of 75 degree. The expected performance efficiency is 83%. A. Ideal output of loose soil in cubic meter for equivalent face shovel of bucket capacity of 0.96 meter cube is 150 LCM. Second, backhoe ideal output using equipment conversion factor 0.8 operating at optimum depth. You have to find it. that is given as 150 into 0.80. It will becomes 120 LCM. So correction factor considered are soil factor for hard digging is 0.67, load factor for loading into vehicle is 0.80, swing factor for 75 degree is 1.05. So find the correction factor here and performance efficiency they given you. Calculate what? Hourly production. So I also send this in a WhatsApp group. Thank you for your patient sharing.